garbage, the amount of solid waste produced becomes a big issue, especially when the buildings become vertical. You need to be careful how do you segregate the waste, which are done as a wet and as dry waste approaches. Okay. Please understand, any of the solid waste management, if you want to do the issues, is the heart of the system is the segregation. Okay. So that means you need to segregate in your building, and the way of you do it, it differs from the types of the buildings. Much easier if you have a lot of space in a big apartment or a big house. But when the apartment size becomes smaller and smaller, how do you do the segregation? And that has to be looked into very carefully. And so that is what we call designing in effect and efficient management system. Needs to take into account the program, the building type, what type of buildings, okay, where it's located, what is the occupancy, and all these things has to be looked into very carefully in designing it. Okay, and any of the system which you're going to use a treatment of solid waste, and the heart of the system is a segregation. The segregation has to happen at the building site. Okay? So you need to plan right in the beginning. But there are a lot of successful case studies. Sorry, I don't have time. Maybe later onwards, if you have time, we can discuss a little bit about it. Let's say, for example, South Korea and European Union have introduced pay as you throw. That means how much waste you are generating and you pay for that. That means you start with your segregated system at the apartment, at the building level. Okay. Pay back for trash collection in Taiwan. Okay, same type of system. You pay based on the amount of the waste you generate. Okay, that means again you need to sort of segregate your waste now. Most important thing, all these things when you do a segregation, and what do? You segregate your bottles, segregate your tins, but you need to have a facility to dispose. So all these things comes as a part of the today's in a building design code. Okay, it has to be. And I think I'll finish off with this. It's very important to understand, okay, what type of recycling activities you have, different types of waste segregation bins.